Hello everyone, hi, this is Weltha. Okay, so I'm just making a quick video for the people who don't know how to make your homemade rice and to make it flaky and just makes the perfect rice if you're craving some rice at home and you don't know how to make it. Here is a video for you, okay? So first you're going to wash off your rice really well. I try to wash my rice and get all the starch off of it, and it's going to take a couple of times to wash it to remove most of the, I'll call it cornstarch. So you just wash it a couple of times and just rinse it really well, okay? And then when you see the water is clear, that's when it's time to cook it, okay? So that's all I'm doing here. Just washing my rice really well, okay? And then when the water is clear, that's when you know it's time to cook it, okay? So it's pretty much almost clean here because my water is turning clear. It's not as cloudy as you can see. See, the water is not as cloudy as it was when I first started washing it. So now the water is getting clear. You see that? So that means the rice is clean and it's gonna be ready to cook in just a minute, okay, you guys? I feel like the rice is more flakier when you wash it really well. Make sure that you don't have all the cloudiness on the water. Okay, so I think that should do it. It's clean, see? Watch this. See the clear water? It's clear. So now it's time to cook it. You see that? Clear water. That's what I wanted. Okay? Alright, so now I'm going to fill my pot with water. You see that, you guys? Okay, and then you're going to put it on the stove. Okay? And then we're going to cook this rice for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? And it's on medium. Alright, and then I'm going to add some salt to the water. It's better to add your salt to the water while it's cooking, you guys, instead of afterwards, okay? So add it before you start cooking. Before you start cooking it, okay? And then you're going to give it a stir. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add a lid to it. All right, okay, and the stove is on medium. We're gonna cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes with the lid on. And look at that, voila! After 15-20 minutes, it's ready. Okay, see how flaky it is? That's the way you want your rice, if you like flaky rice. Some people might like their rice mushy, but I like my rice to be flaky. So I turned the stove off, and now we're going to go back to the sink, okay? You're going to get some cold water, and you're going to drain this rice. You can use cold or warm water, whichever one you want, okay? And then you're just going to put it in one of the strainers to strain the rice. Okay, and you're going to just rinse it off again. You're going to hold that up like that, let the water get all over the rice so that you can drain the rice. Make sure there's no starch on the rice again so that it's not sticky. And that's all I'm doing here, just rinsing the rice off really, really well, okay, you guys? That's all you want to do after your rice finishes cooking. Okay? That's all I'm doing, just rinsing the rice off. Okay, then you guys, voila, you have the perfect white rice. Okay, So for those of you who don't know how to cook your rice, this is how you cook it, okay? And there you have it. You have some perfect white rice. Okay? And there you have it. Look at that rice. So flaky and delicious. You can add whatever you want to add to it, but I just have white rice right here, okay? And there you have it. You have delicious white rice. The perfect white rice. This is how you cook it, you guys. Okay? So for you people who don't know how to cook your rice, here's your video. Thank me later. All right, you guys. And there you have it. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. And thank you for watching.